You've been taught that losing means failure, that it's something to avoid at all costs. But what if I told you that failure is the one thing standing between you and the success you crave? The real secret to success isn't avoiding failure, it's embracing it. And I'm not just talking about accepting loss. I'm talking about learning from it, growing through it, and using it as your stepping stone to greatness. Are you ready to hear why? Because your comeback, your breakthrough, begins with losing. No one likes to lose. Nobody wants to fail, feel rejected, or fall short of their goals. I've been there. I've had moments where I felt like giving up was easier than continuing. When things aren't going your way, it feels like you're stuck in an endless loop of defeat, right? You work so hard, you put everything you have into it, and then, boom, you fail. But here's the thing, that's not the end. It's just the beginning. Every single successful person you admire, every billionaire, entrepreneur, athlete, they've all failed, over and over again. Failure isn't their enemy, it's their teacher. Their failure gave them lessons that they use to fuel their comeback. And I promise you, it can do the same for you. You ever tried to quit something and tell yourself, I'm done, but then, the next day, you're back at it again. Like, I'm never going to work out again. And then by 5 p.m., you're hitting the gym. Or how about, I'll never start that business idea again. And the next thing you know, you're Googling LLC registration. That's the start of your comeback. You can't stop yourself from wanting more. And that's exactly what makes you unstoppable. Losing isn't the problem. The problem is giving up after you lose. You want to know the difference between those who succeed and those who don't. It's resilience. Resilience is the ability to get up every single time life knocks you down, to say, that was tough, but I'm still going. There's a powerful quote I live by. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Do you know who said that? Winston Churchill, a man who knew more about losing than most people could ever imagine. But what did he do? He kept going. He didn't let failure stop him from achieving greatness. And that's why, in the end, he won. Are you ready to keep going? Are you ready to rise again, no matter how many times life knocks you down? Losing isn't the end, but how do I turn this around? How do I use failure to win? I'm going to tell you. But first, let me ask you a question. Do you remember the last time you failed? What did you learn from it? Do you see that as a mistake or an opportunity? Hold that thought, because I'm about to reveal the one thing you need to do to truly turn losing into winning. The secret to winning? It's discipline. It's consistency. It's the commitment to keep going, no matter how many times you fail. You're probably wondering, but isn't motivation the key? Well, motivation is temporary. It comes and goes. But discipline, that's what keeps you on track when the motivation fades, when things get tough, when the world tells you to quit. Discipline is what makes you keep going. Every time you lose, you learn. Every time you fail, you adjust. Every time you fall, you get back up stronger. It's not the losses that define you. It's how you respond to them. And when you respond with discipline, your failures become your greatest asset. They turn into lessons that drive you forward every single day. So, I'll ask you again, are you ready to stop seeing failure as your enemy? Are you ready to embrace the process, to fall, learn, rise, and repeat? Because the only thing standing between you and the success you want is your willingness to keep going. It's time for you to start winning. But first, you've got to lose. You've got to embrace the struggle. If you're ready to make that comeback, if you're ready to stop running from failure and start using it as fuel, then commit. Hit that subscribe button, because together, we're going to turn your losses into the keys to your success. This is your time. It's time for your comeback.